Yo, this is epic. Let's go.
Fail. But that was only 10 seconds. Come on. Do something else. Failure. It's alright. Come on. Go again. Don't try to show off for the camera. And don't try to show off for the dark lady with the nice ass. Failure. You want to give up?
No. Epic, don't give up.
You gonna try this bike again?
Yep.
Board hit the bike.
Done.
You done?
Yeah.